I'd like to take you on a tour of 7901 Brook Road here in Mountain Brook Estates. This lovely home is 3,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 full bath, 2 half bath, and is situated on over an acre and a half on a corner lot and in a single street neighborhood with other upscale homes. The pea gravel driveway and sidewalks add even more character to this beautiful all-brick home. The screened-in porch with deck and a covered patio are great for entertaining. The large kitchen with island and breakfast area are ideal for your family get-togethers, or if you just love to cook. There's the formal dining room for those company dinners. 7901 Mountain Brook is currently zoned for all Halls schools and is currently 10 minutes from I-75 interstate. This 2-story home is finished comfortably with almost 3,000 square feet with an additional 1,000 square feet of space in the basement for future growing room.